this motherfucker here. This
when y'all start taking walkthroughs.
know he was there. Nigga said he ain't know he was there.
I didn't that shit start. We all start selling breakfast.
Niggas come in early. I know how long the line gets.
They started around the time y'all started serving breakfast.
Niggas, look at this nigga. Look at this nigga. I got a goddamn post.
This nigga serious.
This nigga is so. This nigga is really waiting in between the truck and the car.
You gonna make me throw that goddamn video up.
Look, they better serve this nigga.
I don't need no photo.
Oh shit, look at this motherfucking shit here, nigga.
Oh, he better not get no food. No, let me take that back. I ain't gonna say he better not get no food. Everybody needs food.
Everybody needs food. Oh, but god damn, nigga.
Goddamn, boy.
No. Super gang banger out here, nigga. Got the goddamn bandana around his neck too.
Oh, this shit gonna walk all the way through.
Niggas don't walk through, not the drive through. What the fuck y'all doing? This.
How did you get her? Goddamn McDouble!